Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior video channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be going over another Aweber tutorial 2021. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean out your list in Aweber so that you don't end up with subscribers that stay dormant and that are affecting your open and click-through rates. Don't forget to also connect with me on other social media, which you can find in the video description down below if you're watching from YouTube or Rumble. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So right now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right over here and we'll get this tutorial started. Okay, so as you can see right over here, I'm in my Aweber back office. Now, before I show you how to actually clean out your subscribers in your list, I want to touch on the reasons why it's so important that you make it a habit to clean out your list. Not so much like every week or every day, but you want to make sure that you clean out your list pretty often. Now, why do I say that? Because if you have subscribers that you either got from a free marketing source or a paid traffic source that you did for your marketing, and you're getting these people onto your list, but you're not actually, those people are not actually opening your emails, that's affecting your open rates. And then you're also paying for the subscribers on top of that. So if you have Aweber as your email autoresponder, you know that the more subscribers that you have on your list, the more higher the monthly that you're going to be paying for using Aweber's email automation services. So keep that in mind as you're adding people onto your list. The other thing is you want to make sure that by cleaning out your list, by cleaning out the people that never open, you want to give those subscribers that you add to your list 90 days to open any of your emails. If they don't open within the first 90 days that they get onto your list, get rid of them, because they're going to take up space. You're paying for those subscribers, and you want to make sure that you have those quality subscribers that are going to actually open and engage with your emails. It's so vitally important to understand. It's not just about building a big email list. You got to make sure also that the people that you're adding onto your list are also actually opening and clicking your emails. Otherwise, if you're adding subscribers and then you're emailing your subscribers regularly, but you're not actually seeing any opens or clicks from those subscribers, and you're paying for those subscribers on top of that, it just doesn't make any sense at all. So with that said, let me go ahead right now. Let me go ahead and just end my video screen right over here so that you can actually only see this Aweber back office screen that you see before you. And we're going to go over how to actually clean out your list. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're on the right list. So for this example, we're going to clean out two lists because there's two lists that I market to pretty consistently. And we're going to go ahead and just stay on this list, Mark's primary list, San. What you want to do is, let me go ahead and zoom in right over here. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the drop down arrow on subscribers, and you want to click subscribers. Okay? Now, what you want to do from here is see where it says, let me actually zoom in right over here. See where it says search option? Click that drop down arrow. There's two things that you're going to look for. First one you want to look for is undeliverable. And then leave these two boxes as is. You're going to hit the blue search button and take a look at that. On this particular list that I have 3 subscribers who are already unsubscribed, but they're still counted on my list. So what I'll do over here, since they just unsubscribed anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, see where it says this check mark box where it has name right next to it. Click on that check mark box. It will automatically check mark all the subscribers onto your list. Be sure to click the blue actions drop down arrow button and then just click delete. And then click the red delete button. Yes, you want to delete these subscribers. And that's done. Now, pay close attention to the next segment I'm going to be doing, which is the no opens. So that's what you want to do next. So see where it says undeliverable, and there's the drop down arrow. Click that, and then find no opens. That's the one that you want to pay close attention to. Leave the second box as is, and then where it says month, date, and year, you want to date it back to 3 months, so 90 days. 90 days is like 3 months. So go back 3 months. So today is September 2nd, 2021 at the time that I'm shooting this video, and you'll just want to go backwards 3 months. So August, July, June. So we'll start with June 2nd. And let's see if we actually have anyone that hasn't been opening any of my emails since this time. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Oh, and take a look at that. There are 200. Let's see if I can just focus on this one. Okay, take a look at that number. There's 285 subscribers that are on this list that haven't been opening any of my emails. So can you imagine building up a list? You're marketing to that list regularly, and you have subscribers that aren't opening or even engaging with your emails. This can significantly affect not only your open rates, but this is also going to affect how much you're actually paying monthly for Aweber's automation services. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead, let's go ahead and delete all these subscribers right over here since they haven't engaged with my emails since June 2nd and beyond. So we're going to go ahead, let's go ahead and just do the whole 100 subscribers on this part. Let's see. Oh, now it says where it says select all 285 subscribers. I recommend that if you're just starting out building a list, just do only 100 subscribers in a given day. If you've been marketing for a while and you've been building your list for a while, you could do a little more, but I don't recommend that you go with a big number just because there might be some issue with Aweber and there could be something that could happen. So just want to put that side note out there. And we're going to go ahead and just select all 285 subscribers. Let's go ahead and... Oh. Well, never mind then. So it turns out you can only delete 100 subscribers at a time. So you cannot exceed that much. You have to actually do it 100 at a time. So let's see if we can go ahead and just delete these all these subscribers, but we're probably going to have to do it 100 at a time. So let's click delete. Click the red delete button. You want to make sure you do that. Take some time. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do this again. Delete. Give it some time. And then just to be on the safe side, just only do 100 a day. If you want to do a little more, go right ahead. But I wouldn't recommend deleting so many subscribers all at once. So let's go ahead. Let's move on to another list that we're going to clean out. And we're going to do the same thing right over here. So look for undeliverable. Search that. Okay, we got 3 subscribers that are on this list that have unsubscribed and have not opened any emails. So let's get rid of them. Go to blue actions button, hit delete. And you just did the same thing for that. So I'll show it again one more time for no opens. Be sure to date it back to 3 months from today's date. So we're going to go August, July, June 2nd. And right here we have 235 subscribers. So what you do over here, you click the check mark box where name is to the right of it. And then click the blue actions button, hit delete. Then click the red button for delete. All right. I won't do the whole cleaning out the list here. I'll do this on my own time, but I just wanted to give you the basic steps to actually cleaning out your list. This was a question that I got from somebody over the past weekend, and I thought to actually do a video on this, as there might be also some other people who have the same questions, as I realize not everyone is tech savvy when it comes to doing email marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and do it and stop sharing my screen over here and come back right over here. So I trust you got a ton of value out of this Aweber tutorial 2021 video. And don't forget to check out the links down below this video in the video description for some very good online marketing resources that I believe you'll find very beneficial. Click on one of those links that best fits you. Be sure to opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, get positioned as soon as possible so that you can start marketing and start building the lifestyle of your dreams. But however, you cannot do that unless you actually check out the online marketing resources links down below in the video description if you're watching this from YouTube or Rumble. So be sure to go ahead and do that right now. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this tutorial video today. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.